Hi everyone, welcome back to MJ's Kitchen. Happy Sunday. Today I'm gonna cook for you steamed fish. This is cod, and these are my ingredients. I have onion, garlic. In here I have some tomato and sweet pepper, and I have dry thyme here, fish sauce, red wine vinegar, and some olive. I'm gonna start with some olive oil and some butter. I'm using plant-based butter because I don't eat meat. I'm a vegetarian. So I'm gonna about this much. We have olive oil in it. Turn it up a little more. Okay, let's chop some. Okay, peeling our onion. It's a small onion. You can do it like this to cut off the ends. Then cut it this way. I can get a bigger onion. I haven't used such small onion in a long time.
There's a lot of space in this.
Okay, I'm peeling my garlic.
Garage door.
My butter is melting. I hate it when the garlic are so fine. Little small peg of garlic. Okay. Okay, my oil is ready. is onion and garlic, some couple pimento seed, and I'm gonna some dry thyme. Get it off like that. That's enough. Oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna cut off the onion. Yummy. Tomato and some sweet pepper. My God, it smells good. I'm not gonna add any salt to this because where's the pepper? Some black pepper. And I'm gonna add some fish sauce to this because this have a lot of salt in it. I'm gonna add 2 cupfuls. I hope I get this right. I have to be careful. Then I'm gonna put some let me throw this on the fish while it's in there. Red wine vinegar. Okay, I'm gonna drop my fish now. It smells this. These are cod. Cod is a good fish to steam. What is it? It's a farm fish. Then you're gonna put and then cover to steam. We're gonna add some red wine vinegar on top of the fish. Just eyeball it. I don't have any lemon, but I should add lemon to this. You can add lemon to it. I don't have any today. I'm just working with what I have. I forgot to buy lemon. Here we're gonna cover too. Oh, I should use the other part. Now this cover is not big enough. Okay, let me try the other one over here. Perfect. Okay, I'll be back. Let me clean up here and come right back. Okay guys, we're all done. We give it 10 minutes and it's ready. We're gonna plate. This plate over here. Yeah. This is the finished product. Yeah. Steamed cod with olive. Okay, tell me in the comment if you like it. See you on the next video. Take care. God bless you. Bye.